In this tutorial, I will show you how to make this letter portrait design in Photoshop. Create a solid color adjustments layer. Follow the process. Pick Text tool. I'm using this font, and download link in description. Click here and change text color. Then add your letter. Select Move tool. Press Ctrl-A or Command-A, and click on these icons to center the letter. Press Ctrl-D or Command-D to deselect. Right-click on text layer and choose Blending options. Choose Stroke and follow the settings. Choose Inner Shadow and follow the settings. Open second image. Select Subject. Click on Mask icon. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. Move it on to Main Project. Press Ctrl-T or Command-T and adjust image size and position. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask. Add mask. Duplicate image by pressing Ctrl J or Command J. Right-click on text layer and choose Select Pixels. Go to Select and choose Inverse. Pick Brush. Make sure foreground color is black. And follow the process. Press Ctrl D or Command D to deselect. And for the final step, add your text. This is the final result, and thanks for watching.